Hey everyone, Troy here at Dirt Church Industries. Today I want to show you a couple of product redesigns for the Milwaukee Packout toolboxes. We have two table configurations now. We have a bamboo folding table. A couple of changes on this one. It's now thicker. In addition, the 6 mounting holes come pre-drilled. There are laser edge markings from 1/16 inch all the way up to 1 inch in decimal readout equivalents, as well as pi. And for your carpentry folks out there, we have 60, 45, 30, and 22.5, as well as a built-in tape measure from 0 to 15 inches. Installation of the kit remains the same. Simply going to slide that on, fold it up. If you buy 2 kits, obviously you can mount another opposing table on the opposite side. The new configuration we just released is this stamped steel Teflon coated pan. Again, the holes come pre-drilled. Both of these are rated to hold 100 pounds. One of the major redesigns that we did is this bracket is now omnidirectional. So the head of the carrier's bolt slides in here. If you happen to tip your box over and rip this thing off and crack the sides, you can simply undo it, swap sides, and you have a clean edge. Another redesign that we did is you no longer have to remove the aluminum rail to install this. You're simply going to slide that on. There you go. Before you had to push out this pan, we included some rail caps, or this one you had to undo the Phillips screws. You no longer need to do that. Just simply slide those on. These are 3D printed material, so gently snug is plenty strong. Now again, the metal pan is nice if you're dealing with oily surfaces or you're tired of tools falling off the edge of your box. With the taller boxes, you can safely fold down the table on flat ground and it will clear. The shorter box will not, regardless of what configuration you have. One more thing I forgot to mention. A lot of you, I'm sure, are like, okay, Troy, I'd love to have this on the job site, but what do I do when I'm done with the job site? Where do I store this thing? Well, the quick answer is this thing's easily detachable. So if you're going for hallways, staircases, narrow entryways, you can take out the table to make this thing skinny. That's what makes this table unique. Where do you put it when you're done? When you want to go transport mode? Right there. Write it down. We have everything on our website in stock. If y'all have any questions, be sure to reach out to us, dirtchurchindustries.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.